This Monday we're launching our program for the CAT exam, CAT and the non-CAT exam. So in case you want to join, please call the numbers given here so you can get in touch with my team for books, mocks, shortcuts, e-classes, any of the programs. This Monday we're also keeping a demo lecture. So in case you want to attend and see the way we teach, you're most welcome to attend the demo lecture as well. So please call the numbers given here. Average salary of the students is 19.62 lakh. These have slightly come down due to COVID. Median is 18.89, approximately 19, and highest is 23.32 lakh. Out of the 66 students who are there in the campus, 22 have got a PPO. 1/3 of the students have got a PPO. And अभी भी सबको लगता है कि HR वाले सिर्फ रंगोली बनाते हैं. Okay, now रंगोली बनाना, दिवाली की सेलिब्रेशन करना, दे ऑल पार्ट ऑफ HR program, no doubt about this. But those who are doing this thing is the low end HR people. Please remember that. If you are MBA from the top college like XLRI, like TIS, like all these colleges, you are not going to make rangoli. Alright, that is my promise to you, because I cannot pay. For example, if I'm an employer, I cannot pay you 20 lakh a package to make rangoli. Even if I have to make rangoli, I don't mind to 20 lakh de. You are paying me 1.5 lakh per month. I don't mind doing anything. And now come the second point. बेटा ध्यान से सोचो, HR वाले रंगोली बनाते नहीं हैं, HR वाले रंगोली बनवाते हैं. HR वाले 15 अगस्त 26 जनवरी का सेलिब्रेट नॉर्मल लोगों से करवाते हैं. In my IT company, where I used to work, their HR used to conduct a contest that every department have to make rangoli, every project have to make a rangoli or have to make a decorate their 26th of January celebration, this and that, and we like donkeys used to do that, and they used to review. Okay, so think again before you complain, HR people. Can you guess the name of the college? The college is just across this sea. So I live in New Bombay. So just behind this mountain, you can see the college. Yes, we college talking about the TIS college. So TIS is just behind this mountain, approximately 25 minutes from here via this bridge. We can see, might see the bridge there. All right. Here we are looking at the top college, the HR program of TIS, HR and labor resources at TIS Mumbai, which is just across my room, across my flat. Only 66 students. So every good side had a bad side as well. Number of students only 66. Okay. And if you're going for the TIS exam, you have to target 80. Target should be 80. 75 पे भी call आ सकता है, depending on the level of difficulty of the paper. But the target have to be 80 marks. Okay. If you are going for the TIS NET exam is going to be in Jan. Last year because of COVID, this year का result अभी तक नहीं आया, it's on hold. Their TIS MAT exam is also on hold, but you can keep this as a very good backup option in case you don't want to. Now comes the question whether you don't want to go for HR. Okay, you don't want to go for HR, superb. But if you are suppose getting a new IIM where average salary is 12 to 14 lakh, makes sense to go to this college where average salary is touching 20 lakh against the fees of only 2 lakhs. Yeah, so think twice before you decide to avoid TIS. So we look at the placement report of TIS Mumbai. TIS main program, main HR and labor laws, labor resources program, which is their flagship program and which have the highest cutoff. So you can go to the link cetking.com/TIS. You can find out the syllabus, you can find out the complete details about the exam, cutoff, everything is given there. So TIS have posted, official PDF is not yet out. So I'm making the report based on the post they have done from TIS for the HR department. It's not for the complete group. There are a lot of other schools as well within TIS. We're talking about this. So placement process, we witnessed 36 companies coming for 22 students. So you can see average 2 students is taken by 1 company. Okay, that's the main thing. If you go for IT, they can take 8, 10, 20 people. Even consulting companies are taking a lot of people. But HR, only 1-2 people are placed per company. That's the main fundamental problem of HR. Because they don't need many HR. For example, I have a company of 100 employees. I just need 1 HR person. Yeah. Highest package is 29.32 lakhs. The average of the top 10 people students is at 27.43 lakhs. So if you're in the top 10, your average is 27.43, which is at par with any of the main IIMs. Average of the 25% batch is 25 lakhs. So if you are in the among 25% of the batch, you can command a salary of 25 lakhs. 47% of the batch received the offer more than 20 lakhs. So almost half of the batch is more than 20 lakhs. Half of the batch is below 20 lakhs. So if I look at the bell curve, this is their average 19 point something, 20 above. 47% of the batch is above 20 lakh. 47%. This means 53% of the batch is less than 20 lakhs also. Now, those who come and claim कि टेस्ट बेकार है, ये है, वो है, these are the people who are in this spectrum. Obviously यार, if I got a 14 lakh का पैकेट from टेस्ट तो मैं तो बोलूँगा ना ये रिपोर्ट बेकार है. No one will claim कि तूने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया, you could not get a job on campus. Everyone will blame the college. ठीक है, वो अपने सोने होगा कि बुराई करने को सब तैयार रहते हैं, तारीफ करने के लिए कोई आगे नहीं आता. ओके, so the same thing is here as well. So in case anyone is talking bad about the college, of course यार, if you get 14 lakh का पैकेज, no one will take the blame on themselves. ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली ना यार, मेरे को 14 लाख का मिला सपोज फ्रॉम टेस्ट वेयर एवरेज इज 20, एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू आस्क मी क्यों मिला कम. तो क्या बोलेगा, अरे सब फेक है, रिपोर्ट ही फेक है, सबको 14 ही मिला है, मैं तो बेस्ट था वहाँ पे, मैं तो हाईएस्ट हूँ. हाँ भाई, तुम नीचे थे, हाईएस्ट है, बता ना पूरी डिटेल. सो प्लीज़ डोंट वरी अबाउट द नेगेटिव रिव्यूज़. इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोग्राम. I can easily recommend anybody going for TASE. It's among the top 20 colleges in the country. For HR, it is a number one. XRA HR is number one, but because of the fees ROE advantage, I would put this college as number one college. All the best.